In this tutorial, I will show you free transform tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. I have already opened an image which I have collected from Pixabay. So you can access, I am in this layer, I am accessing free transform tool from edit menu, and this is free transform. So I am clicking here and you can see an bounding box has been appeared. So this is free transform. You can transform this image. You can see, you can make it smaller and larger, but you can see the aspect ratio has been proportional. But if you hold on shift, then you can make it any proportion. Actually you can non-proportional transform the images. So I am make it Ctrl Z to undo it. After that, here is, you can see I am right clicking here and this is free transform. Here is lots of option here. So I am scaling option. Scaling option is same like free transform. It will be transform the image using the aspect ratio following proportion. After that I am rotating it. Rotating it simply will rotate the image. Then we have skew. Skew, you can see here is another option. You can skew in this section. Also you can make it skewed in this direction. So this is skew option. Also you can distort the image in any perspective. You can see you can distort image in any perspective as per your design. And this is perspective. This is also perspective. You can see you can change the perspective using this tool. And here is interesting tool. This is warp tool. This is very versatile tool. You can see now it has been appeared and mesh and handle. Also you can adjust the handle to transform the image. Also you have many point to control your transformation in the image. So in this, and here is few other options. You can see rotate 90 clockwise. You can rotate the image directly, rotate counterclockwise, and also you can flip horizontal and flip vertical. If you horizontal, you can flip it horizontal and flip vertical. So that was free transform tool, which keyboard shortcut is Ctrl T. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to this channel. Keep editing.